How to oil leather. I hope that after watching this video, everyone will no longer find it difficult to apply leather edge oil. We have 48 colors of the oil. Its consistency is relatively thin. The thin edge will give you a capable feeling. And it will be stronger and more durable. What about the thick edge oil? It will have a rounder and fuller effect. Let's talk about the more conventional methods first. Apply the oil on the edges first. The principle is to use the chamfer of the edge. Keep the edge oil on the awl. Pay close attention to the direction and angle of the awl. The awl should be at an angle of 45 degrees. Then we have to go all the way forward and go down. Never go retrograde, otherwise, the edge oil will be scraped onto the leather surface. This amount of edge oil is enough. We see that the surface is already relatively smooth. When there is no dent, we can just put it aside. Just wait until it dries. What about the polished areas and the unpolished areas? Its color has a little difference. We can judge from this point whether it has been polished properly. When the edge oil is polished, apply the oil a second time. Just use an awl to scrape a thin layer. When we see the edge is already very smooth, then we use this nano sponge. Apply the thinnest layer on the surface. Just wait until it dries. To make the edge nicer, we could use an ironing machine to heat the edge. What if you don't have it? We can replace it with a 50-watt soldering iron. There are some surface changes on the sides. Normally, it looks like it's going to melt away when heating. Integrated into the leather fibers. It also smokes. We are not sure whether this smoke is harmful, so I suggest you don't inhale it. It is better to iron in a ventilated environment. Some type of the edge oil will be a little sticky after being permed. If you don't like it, we can use the edge sealing wax. Gently rub a little on the fabric and wax the leather edge. Since it is a mixture, which ingredients include water-based acrylic resin, defoaming and leveling agents, color paste and other materials mixed together. When leaving the edge oil for a long time, it will easily appear delamination. After stirring evenly, normally, it still can be used. At the beginning, we only sold 5 colors of the edge oil. It's red, yellow, blue, black and white. Because 3 primary colors plus brightness adjustment of black and white could generate more rich full colors. Except for bamboo green, rose red, cause we need to add other colors to create these 2 special colors. One more important thing. Never trim chrome tin leather, especially those leathers with deeper textures. Because most chrome tin leather has been slightly painted on surface. The surface and fiber beneath it has color difference. When we thin the leather, will cause unevenness. This makes it difficult to create a uniform and beautiful edge oil.